For those who don't know, Tirelo, Vuyokazi, and Mpumelelo, they do have a life outside their relationship. They do have a career and they're working hard. So first thing that I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna start with Mpumelelo, guys, and also their age, because people have complaining saying that these ladies, they look older than Mpumelelo, guys. On a way, I'm gonna say, before I say anything, I'm just gonna say, you know what, age is just a number, guys. If you love someone regardless of their age, if you feel like it's okay for you to date that person, I'm gonna say go for it. Age is just a number, but I'm not saying that it's a wrong thing to date people that are younger than you or older than you, as long as you are happy. So guys, beside being Mseleku's son, and Mpumelelo has something going for his life. So for those who don't know, Mpumelelo was born on the 3rd March 2001, meaning that next month he's turning 23 years old. He's so young, guys, for those who don't know. So yes, he is a son of Mseleku, South African billionaire who is married to 4 women, right? Yes. So for those who don't know what Mpumelelo does for a living, you're probably going to be shocked, because even myself, I was very surprised that, you know what, as much as we see him on social media, actually this boy, he's so smart. He's a very smart. So the 23-year-old Mpumelelo Mseleku is a South African reality show star. Obviously, he's a reality star because he appears on izinganezesthembu and izinganezesthembu, guys. And also, for those who don't know, he's also a security a service CEO. He's a security. They do have a security company. He's also a football star. I don't think he still plays soccer. He's also a musician here around. He also has a song. So this small boy is currently busy with his life, making sure that, you know what, he secure bags for his 3 babies, guys. He's really doing well for himself. So obviously he doesn't make coins. He does make money from whatever he's doing. So I'm gonna go with Vuyokazi. That's his face baby mama, honey. So for those who don't know, Vuyokazi and Musa and Mpumelelo have been together for some years, and now they also have a first daughter that stayed with Mayeni. So anyway, guys, so for those who don't know about Vuyokazi, we were introduced to Vuyokazi on the reality show last year on izinganezesthembu, guys, as one of Mpumelelo's girlfriend. We remember last year. So for those who don't know, Vuyokazi, she was born and raised in Cape Town. She's 25 years old, pretty shy, she was just, she's very shy, she's all collected, and then she's just, minding herself. So she's also a student at the University of South Africa studying psychology, guys. So the gap year between, because this article was for last year, meaning that this year she's 26 years old. I think she was born in 1998. So the gap year between Vuyokazi and Mpumelelo, it is 3 years. But like I said, age is just a number. They do love each other. So she's currently studying. I don't know how many is the final year or whatever, but she's currently busy with her life. She's gonna be a psychologist after this, getting her degree or her diploma. That's it, guys. So she has a life. So I'm gonna go with it, Tirelo, because that one is a very interesting, honey. So Tirelo, she's 24 years old. So she was born. They did not reveal what she was born, but they just say she is 24 years old this year, meaning that there is a 1 gap age between Mpumelelo and Tirelo, guys. So for those who don't know, yes, Tirelo was introduced as one of Mpumelelo's girlfriend the last year on izinganezesthembu. So anyway, she's currently studying BCom accounting. For those who don't know, yes, she's studying BCom. Probably she's going to be accountant or pursue to become a chartered accountant, guys. So those have been worried about what the girls they do for a living. Yes, guys. Vuyokazi, she's currently a student at UNISA. Well, with Tirelo, they haven't mentioned which university she's currently, but they just mentioned that she is a become accounting student, one of the biggest career in South Africa, honey. If you make it this, trust me, I believe you're gonna earn more than just a salary, but a paycheck. But anyway, guys, tell me, what do you think about Tirelo and Vuyokazi, guys? Yes, all of them. Vuyokazi has 2 kids. Well, Tirelo has 1. Vuyokazi, she has a daughter and a son. Well, Tirelo has a son, guys. So that's it, guys. Hopefully you understand what these kids are doing for a living, guys. If you want want to do more about videos about what they do, living, you know, those kind of stuff, tell me in the comment section, guys. I wish you nothing the best. Happy Tuesday. God bless you guys. That's the thing that I wanted to say, because I've seen under the comment section a lot of people are saying that what do these girls, they don't have a life. They do have a life, baby girls. They do have a life. They also have, like, just that, you know what, sometimes they say love is blind. But anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like,